Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I invite you to a beautiful place to enjoy the beautiful greenery and enjoy the beautiful songbirds up there on the tree and also the winds blowing softly, washing away my stress. So I'm here with my Nikon D5200 to photograph many things. I enjoy doing photography in nature. I love nature. So I'm photographing animal here and also some insects and the beautiful greenery, some flowers, etc. in this place. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy the sound of nature, the bird song especially. I found some jackfruits over there. I'm going to photograph that.